Take me to your leader. Haha.
Hey, Bear! Hey, Bear! Let's get to work. Oh, man. Let's get this unboxing done. Get a Corvette this time? Yep. Got a distributor from United. It's a new one. Injector spider harness, the upgraded version, to replace the original crappy fuel injection spider that's got the weird ball valves. And we got the gasket set for the intake. Fuel meter body, intake manifold upper, throttle body mounting. Okay. Stored in a plastic case like that. Let's see. Here's our spider injectors.
Take me to your leader. Haha.
Yeah, let's check out this distributor. It's billet aluminum, I believe. Need to check to see if this washer is going to be good enough. I know on some distributors it's a little bit better to add an extra washer to provide better protection from oil getting out. Well, looks like we got a truck to tear apart.